Okay, welcome to lesson number 4, Twi Lesson number 4. Now we're going to extend lesson 3 a little bit, introduce some new words. Okay, so my friend. If you want to see someone, you want to call them my friend. You say, madamfo, madamfo, madamfo. That's my friend, madamfo. And then you might say to them, I've not seen you in a long time. I've not seen you in a long time. That is, mennhu wache, mennhu wache, mennhu wache, mennhu wache. I've not seen you in a long time. And then, if somebody says that to you, all you can say is true. Ampa, ampa. That means is true. Ampa. And then, if you want to be jovial, you can say, Ampa o, mennhu wache. I've not seen you in a long time. Mennhu wache. And then, Ampa o, Ampa o. That means it's true o. Then when you see the person, you want to ask them that, so where are you going? How do we say that? Where are you going? Wokɔ. Wokɔ. And then maybe they'll say that I'm going to town. I'm going into town to buy things. I'm going to town. Meekɔ kurom. As I'm going to the town. Meekɔ kurom. Meekɔ kurom. I'm going to the town. And then when the person's leaving, then you want to tell them that, okay, go and come back. That's yo cobra. Cobra. That's go and come back. Cobra. And then if somebody tells you that you should go and come back, you have to say that, okay, I'll go and come. That's yo meekɔ. So it's different. If you're telling someone, you say cobra, cobra. If you're responding, you say yo meekɔ, meekɔ, meekɔ. I said, okay, cobra, yo meekɔ. That means go and come. Okay, I'll go and come. Cobra, yo meekɔ.